Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer videos off of a FlipCam onto your computer and then how to import those into Windows Movie Maker. So the first thing you need to do is plug in your FlipCam to your computer. So to do this, you need to release the USB arm by pulling down this latch right here. And then this arm will be released, and then you can just plug this arm right into your USB port on your computer. However, depending on what kind of setup you have, this might not fit just like this because it is really short and it's kind of picky about which way it goes in. So you might have to add this yellow extension cord that the library supplies when they give the cam to you. So once it's plugged in, the camera will actually read connected. So the next thing you need to do is then find it on your computer. So to do this, go to the Start menu, and then Computer, and as you can see the flip video should be displayed here as a drive. You can double click that, and then you'll see this DCIM folder, which you'll double click, and then the 100 video folder, which you'll also double click, and then you'll see your video file. Now we're going to copy this off of the camera and put it on our computer. So to do that, I'm just going to right click the thumbnail, and you'll see copy about halfway down. Now you need to determine where you're going to save this on your computer, and you're going to want to remember that so you can use it later. But I like to save my videos in the videos folder on my computer, so I'm going to go there. And then I'm actually going to create a new folder because this helps organization, especially if you have multiple clips. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm just going to name it Videos from FlipCam. And as you can see, a new folder is created, and then I can double click. And then once I'm here, I can just do the same thing by right-clicking and pasting. And then depending on how big your video file is, this might take a while to paste into here. But eventually you'll see that it's in there, and then you can close out of that. Now the next thing you need to do is import that file into Windows Movie Maker. So start by opening up Windows Movie Maker, which can be accessed from the Start menu. And then off to the right here, you're going to see a big white space, and in the middle it says click here to browse for videos and photos. So I'm going to click there. And this new window is going to open up, and then as you can see, here's where I saved my video. So I'm going to click into this folder, and then I'm going to select my clip. Now if I had multiple clips, you can select all of them at one time by simply holding Control while you select. But once you've selected all of your clips, you just click open, and as you can see, it'll be imported into Movie Maker and you can begin your editing.